It's really easy to make your own tasty curry sauce, saving stacks of sins on creamy, oily or sugary, yes really, shop-bought or takeaway versions. All of our recipes can be easily adapted to suit any dietary need or preference, and this one is part of our special partnership with Diabetes UK. Try it with spicy greens instead of rice to really fire up your weight loss. Stir-fry the onion and garlic over a medium-high heat for around 5 minutes until soft and starting to colour. Add the skinless chicken and cook for 5 more minutes or until browned. This will add flavour. Add 1 tablespoon of your favourite curry spice. We've used korma, but choose whichever you like. Just watch out for spices or seasoning blends that have added ingredients like sugar, oil or starch. Cook the spice for a minute or two and then add 6 tablespoons of tomato puree and 200 grams of passata with added onions and garlic. Add 400 ml of hot low-salt chicken stock and season with plenty of black pepper. Bring to the boil, cover and turn down the heat to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Meanwhile, blanch the broccoli and green beans for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain, spray with low-calorie cooking spray and add a tablespoon of tandoori curry powder. Then griddle the greens for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve with plenty of fresh coriander.